Here's a great way to add some sweet heat flavor to Brussels sprouts. Let me show you how. I'm starting with about a pound of Brussels sprouts that I'm just cutting down through the core to keep them together. If you have some larger Brussels sprouts, you could cut them into quarters and still through the core to keep them together. All right, now that all of our Brussels are chopped, we're just gonna get them onto a sheet pan with olive oil, lots of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper, and throw them into a hot oven about 400 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes until they get all nice and browned. Give them a nice toss with clean hands. And while our Brussels bake off, let's talk about that sweet heat part of our Brussels sprouts. That'll come from honey, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and a bit of chopped rosemary. All right, let's put that together. Okay, I've just stripped the leaves off of our rosemary stems. We've got about a tablespoon of finely chopped rosemary. Oh, smells terrific. When our Brussels come out of the oven, we want to be able to coat them very evenly. So I'm using a nice big bowl. And I'm going to take our honey and very slowly drizzle about a tablespoon or so around the edge, just inside the bowl. Woo. Sticky stuff. And then depending on your heat, a couple of sprinkles of cayenne pepper. Okay, our Brussels are out. We're going to put them right into our honey and cayenne mixture. Give them a toss through. And then we're going to put them right back on the sheet pan and put them back in the oven just for 2 minutes or so to let that honey really set up. Put our rosemary over top. Oh, it smells so delicious. And right back in. Let's get these guys out and actually straight into a little serving dish. Smells so good. That rosemary really wakes up all the flavors. Honey hot Brussels sprouts. I hope you try this recipe at home, and I hope you enjoy.